Hi, I'm Billy, and welcome to Jack of Trades. This video is the first part of our Laravel 8 with Livewire video tutorial series. Here, we will learn a new setup of a Laravel app using Laravel 8. Of course, we will still use Livewire to build our simple CMS, also known as the Content Management System web application. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. Just in case you haven't installed Composer yet, you can download the application on their website. Just go to getcomposer.org/download and just follow the installation instructions there. In this video tutorial, I am using a Windows OS. You might be using a Mac or a Linux, but don't worry. You can still follow along. To begin our installation, go to your favorite directory, open your command line interface there, and type in Composer global require Laravel/installer. Now, you may have already installed a previous Laravel installer version. But to successfully install Laravel 8 with no issues, you need to make sure that you have a fresh Laravel installer in your local machine. You might also need to clear your Composer's cache before installing the Laravel installer. Now, this is going to take a while, so let's fast forward the video. After that, type in Laravel new space and the name of your Laravel application. In our case, we will name this Laravel CMS like so. To those who are new to Laravel, this command builds a new Laravel app on your computer. As you can see, it downloads stuff which we call dependencies. Because we installed Composer, we are able to download all these dependencies smoothly. These dependencies or PHP libraries make up the whole Laravel application. This may take a while in real time, so we will just fast forward this part of the video. Now that we successfully started a Laravel application, let's open up our favorite code editor and continue the installation there. In this tutorial, I am using VS Code. You can use any code editor or IDE that suits your liking, but if you want to follow along effectively, you can pause this video and download VS Code. I've put the link in the description below. Open up your VS Code command line interface and make sure you are in your application's root directory. Type in Composer require Laravel/jetstream. Laravel 8 smoothly supports this new package called jetstream for the application scaffolding in your Laravel application. Jetstream provides the perfect starting point for your new Laravel application. It includes login, registration, email verification, two-factor authentication, session management, API support via Laravel, and optional team management. After installing Jetstream, we need to type in PHP artisan jetstream, install, Livewire --teams to install our application scaffolding. This command creates the code and the UI elements, including the admin panel, the login page, and the register page, just to name a few. And after that, run npm install and npm run dev like so. And wait for it. Now that we have that done, we need to prepare our database. In this case, we are just going to name it Laravel CMS DB. Open up the .env file and change the database name in the configuration. Let's run PHP artisan migrate to create our database tables. Now, run PHP artisan serve and let us see what Laravel 8 has in stored for us. That is beautiful. Let's register a user to actually see what's inside the admin panel. As you can see, we can easily install Laravel 8. And with a new feature like Jetstream, we can quickly start a web application with all the most common things that any web application offers. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever a new video is up. Stay tuned, and see you in the next video.